Alright, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram was good, y'all. Welcome back to Tech by E, where we talk about IT. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to apply on LinkedIn the right way. How to find jobs on LinkedIn the absolute right way. Okay, let's get straight on to my computer right here. Just give me 1 second. Alright, let me just minus my screen right here. Boom. Alright, so this is what LinkedIn looks like. So what you want to do is you want to head over to jobs. You feel me? And then once you open up jobs, basically you want to search for the the job that you're trying to look for, right? So I already see a job that's pretty much interesting to me. So I'm just going to click on this right here. Okay? Take a look at what they're looking for. Okay? Blah blah, service now updates, etc., etc. Now, the right way to apply is by, you see this external link right here? This is what I call a good LinkedIn post. There's some posts out there that don't have this apply. They have that easy apply. And that's something that you don't want to just click on. I'm trying to find an example. Okay, no, not that. Okay, let me just type in your IT support. Let's say I'm looking for IT support position right here. Okay. Okay, there you go. So you see this right here. This is a service desk position, IT support, service desk, all basically the same thing. And right here you can see that it is. You can see right here that there's the easy apply right here. So essentially, what you want to do is you don't want to click on this easy apply because 100 people are doing that. That's not the right way of doing it. The right way of doing it is actually going on here, opening up a new tab and clicking on here, the actual business page on LinkedIn, right? Once you do that, you want to click on about. Once you click on about, you want to go and head over to the actual website. Okay? Now, a lot of people don't do this. Okay? A lot of people just click on easy apply and think that's it. That's not it. You got to go on the actual website and actually apply to it. So now we're going to have to look for careers or something along those lines. Careers, as you guys can see. And then we got to look for that position in question that we want to apply to. So right now, as you guys can see, the current job opening is that same position, the system specialist service desk position. Okay? So make sure, obviously, I'm assuming, right? If you've done all of this, that your resume is actually up to date. Now, if your resume is not up to date, I'm gonna make a separate video on that, making sure that your resume is up to the industry standard and it passes the ATS system. Okay, the application tracking system has to go through that, and you gotta make sure that your resume has the proper keywords. Okay, so do that. Okay, I'm just assuming that you already did that. Okay, so as you guys can see, you would just apply through the actual website, and then like that, they can actually receive your resume in that case. Right here, in this case, it's saying send over your CV and cover letter to this email right here. So you would do it. Don't do it through the LinkedIn quick apply, easy apply. It's not going to work. Trust me. Okay, I've done it before. It doesn't do me no good. For example, this one again, easy apply. No, what you're gonna do is you're gonna open this up, go to Honey Badger Inc. or Ltd. Click on about. Go to their website again. Okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to go and scroll down all the way to the end until you can find careers. And then you're going to see and look for information technology support specialist. And you're going to apply on the website. So apply here. And then basically you're going to do what you got to do. Okay. Well, it seems like in this case, This might be an exception where they want you. It might say somewhere that they want you to apply on the quick apply. Let's see. But for the most part, this is not the case. Unless you're advised otherwise, which I don't see them saying anything. Let's see. How to apply? Please apply through the LinkedIn. Okay. Well, in this case, it is different. Okay. Let's see if there's anything else. For example, this. Again, I would click on here, go on to about. This is the right way of doing it. And if your resume is up to date, you'll get the job. Trust me. And guys, just a quick disclaimer. You don't just do this one time, 2 times, and call it quits. No, you're doing this at least 100 times, guys, a day. Whether it's on LinkedIn, whether it's on Indeed, you're doing this consistently over a period of time, because you don't want to be sleeping out here. Okay, you gotta put in the work. You gotta grind and to make it happen out here. Okay, so you're gonna apply like at least 100 times, easy, right? So you're gonna go to careers. Okay, you're gonna go to careers, and then you're gonna apply. Okay, so this is kind of weird. What the heck? So as you guys can see right now, it says no current open availability positions for this position right here. Okay, on LinkedIn. So if it's not on the website, don't even bother applying on LinkedIn, because they're most likely not going to see it with all these other applicants there. I'm just keeping it a bug. I'm just trying to not waste your time. Okay. So just keep doing that. And yeah, that's basically how you apply on LinkedIn. And just make sure, I'll make a separate video on showing you how to make your resume like the best resume ever. Okay. And I'm also going to show you guys another things, like how to get in contact with recruiters so that the recruiters can find you, and then you can find a job that way too. Okay. All right, so that's the video. Like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew, and yeah, YouTube, we out. Peace.